China vaccinating key workers against COVID-19 since July. Zheng Zhongwei, director of the Science and Technology Development Center of the National Health Commission, revealed that an experimental vaccine was approved for use on July 22. He told the Chinese state media that the vaccine was given to those who work in high-risk jobs, such as customs and healthcare. Anyone who works in one of those jobs is eligible for the vaccine. Zheng said that there are clear provisions in Article 20 of China's vaccine law. When a major public health threat happens, the National Health Commission can submit an application for emergency use of vaccines. Then, the state FDA evaluates if the application is valid. If valid, the agency grants emergency use for a specific scale and limited time. According to CNN, the stages of vaccine development consist of 4 trials and regulatory reviews. The 4 trials are preclinical, Phase 1, Phase 2, and Phase 3. Preclinical trials are conducted in animals while the other trials involve human participants. Phase 1 and 2 are more focused on safety. Phase 3 is more focused on the efficacy of the vaccine in large groups. After the trials, regulators review the data to determine if it can be used, licensed, and manufactured. The Guardian reported that Zheng did not reveal which experimental vaccine had been used in July, but the official said that the administration of the vaccine was conducted according to the law. Several steps have been prepared, including side effect monitoring, rescue plans, compensation plans, and consent forms. The same interview with Zheng confirmed the price of the Sinopharm vaccine. The vaccine will be priced at $145 for 2 doses. The price is based on cost and a reasonable level of profit, not on supply and demand. Meanwhile, China seems to strengthen its diplomatic ties with vaccine candidates. Recently, Li Keqiang, the Chinese premier, confirmed the prioritization of nations from the Mekong region. The region includes Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, Thailand, and Vietnam. These countries will receive vaccine supplies once a vaccine is approved for use and manufacturing. Back in June, Chinese President Xi Jinping told African nations in a summit that they would be the first to benefit from an approved Chinese vaccine. China's foreign ministry also promised the Philippines with early access to a vaccine. Several Chinese vaccine makers secured arrangements with Brazil, Indonesia, and Pakistan.